Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at an apartment in America. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends and the apartment office staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. How long is a standard apartment lease in America? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Hey, Ellie, can I ask you something?
Sure, Ken. What's up?
I have to leave the dorm next month. They told me last week.
Oh, so you need to find your own apartment now?
Yes, and I have no idea how to start. In Japan, my parents helped me.
Don't worry. I rented my first place 2 years ago. I can help you.
Really? Thank you. That is a big help.
But first, I have to tell you some important things. American renting is a little different.
Different how?
Well, most leases here are 12 months, 1 full year.
1 year? I can't leave after like 3 months?
You can leave, but you usually pay a big fee. They call it breaking the lease.
Wow, that sounds expensive.
It is, so pick a place you really like. You will live there for a year.
Okay, I will think carefully.
Also, one more thing. Don't forget renter's insurance.
Renter's insurance. What is that?
It protects your stuff inside the apartment, like if there's a fire or a robbery.
We don't really have that in Japan. I think I will be fine.
Ken, please, many landlords here require it. Just remember the word.
Renter's insurance. Okay, got it. I'll remember.
Good. One more thing. The apartment office will ask you about your budget. Think about that tonight.
How much should I plan for?
A good rule is rent should be about 1/3 of your income, not more.
1/3. That sounds reasonable.
Also, think about other costs. Electric bill, internet, water sometimes.
Oh, the water is not included?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. You have to ask each place.
Okay, I'll make a list of questions.
Smart. Let's start looking tonight. Come to my place after class.
Perfect. See you later.
Okay, sit here. I already opened the rental website on my laptop.
Wow, there are so many apartments. How do we choose?
First, set your budget. How much can you pay every month?
Maybe $1,200, not more.
Okay, good. I'll type that here. Now, how many bedrooms do you want?
Just one. I live alone.
1 bedroom. Got it.
Wait, only one room? That sounds so small, like a tiny box.
No. 1 bedroom means 1 bedroom plus a living room and a kitchen and a bathroom too.
Oh, so the living room doesn't count as a room.
Right. In America, we count only the bedrooms.
That is really different. In Japan, we count everything. We have things like 1K and 1DK.
Interesting. So a studio here means no separate bedroom, just 1 big room.
I see. Now I understand. Show me some one-bedrooms, please.
Look at this one. Nice photos, $1,200 a month, close to the bus stop.
It looks bright. I like the big window.
And here is another one, a little smaller, but it has a balcony.
I like the first one better. Can we go see it?
Sure. I will call the leasing office now and book a tour.
Leasing office.
The office that manages the apartment. Most buildings here have one.
Got it. So many new words today.
You're learning fast. Okay, the tour is tomorrow at 4.
Great. What should I look for during the tour?
Check the water pressure in the shower. Try the lights. Open the windows.
Open the windows?
Yes. Listen for street noise. You don't want to live next to a loud road.
Oh, that's a good idea. I never thought of that.
Also, check for any smell. Sometimes old apartments smell strange.
Okay, water, lights, windows, smell. I'll remember.
And don't be shy. Ask Sarah many questions. That is her job.
I will. Thanks, Ellie. See you tomorrow.
Hi, Ken. I'm Sarah from the apartment office. Welcome.
Hi, Sarah. Thank you for showing me the place.
Of course, come on in. This is the living room. Big windows, lots of light.
It is really bright. I love it.
The kitchen is right behind that wall. The fridge and the stove are included.
Oh, good. I don't have to buy them?
Right. And the bedroom is down the hall. It fits a queen-size bed easily.
Nice. Is there a closet?
Yes, a big one. The bathroom is right next to it.
How much is the rent again?
$1,200 a month. That includes water and trash.
And the parking?
One spot is free. A second spot is $50 more.
I only need one spot. That's fine.
Great. The earliest move-in date is the 1st of next month.
That works for me.
Now, this is important. Please take this paper.
What is it?
It is a move-in checklist, a list for problems before you move in.
And what do I do with it?
Write down every scratch, every stain, every broken thing. Take photos too.
Wait, I have to do this myself?
Yes. This protects your deposit money when you move out.
Oh, I see. So if I don't write it down, they think I broke it.
Exactly. So please be very careful. Look at the walls, the floor, the big machines.
I will. I'll take many photos.
Smart. Most people skip this and lose money later.
Thank you for telling me. I almost missed that.
That's my job. Any other questions?
Yes, actually. Can I have a pet here?
Cats are okay. Dogs are okay too, but there's a small monthly fee.
I don't have any pets. I was just curious.
That's fine. Any other questions?
How does the laundry work here?
Each unit has its own washer and dryer inside. You don't have to share.
Oh, that is so nice. In the dorm, we shared one with 20 people.
Yes, having your own is a big change. Anything else?
Not now. I want to talk to my friend and decide tonight.
Of course. Take your time.
Ellie, the apartment was perfect. I want to sign the lease right now.
Whoa, slow down. Don't sign anything yet.
Why? It was bright, clean, the price was good.
I know. But first, we read the lease together. Show me the papers.
Here, Sarah gave me a copy.
Good. Let's go page by page.
It's so long, maybe 12 pages?
That's normal. Okay, first, the rent is $1,200 a month.
Right, that part I know.
Late fee is $50 after the 5th day. Don't pay late.
Okay, I'll set a calendar reminder.
Security deposit is $1,200, 1 month of rent.
Wait, in Japan, we also pay something to the landlord. We call it thank you money.
Thank you money? You give money just to say thanks?
Yes, and we never get it back. It can be 1 or 2 months of rent.
That's surprising. Here, the deposit is yours. You get it back when you move out.
All of it?
All of it, if you keep the place clean and don't break things.
That is so much better. I love that.
Now look here, page 7. Read this line.
It says, tenant must keep active renter's insurance.
See, I told you. Insurance required. It's right in the contract.
I'll think about it later. There's a lot to do first.
Ken, listen. Even one small fire or one broken water pipe can cost you thousands of dollars.
Thousands? Really?
Really. And if water leaks into your neighbor's place, you pay for their damage too.
Wait, the neighbor's stuff too?
Yes, the insurance is cheap. The risk is not.
Okay, I hear you. I'll look at it tonight.
Good. Just promise me you won't forget.
I promise, really, this time.
Now look at page 9. It says no smoking inside.
That's fine. I don't smoke.
And if you have guests, no smoking either, even on the balcony.
Okay, good to know. What about page 10?
Quiet hours, 10 at night to 7 in the morning. No loud music or parties.
I don't have parties. I'm a quiet person.
Perfect tenant. And page 11, the rules for moving out.
What does it say?
You must tell them 60 days before you leave, in writing, not just by phone.
60 days. Got it.
Okay, the rest of the lease looks normal. You can sign it tomorrow.
Thanks, Ellie. I couldn't do this without you. Hi, Sarah. I'm ready to apply for the apartment.
Great, Ken. Welcome back. I have the application right here.
I filled out the form last night. Here it is.
Perfect. Now I need a few more things from you.
Okay, what do you need?
First, proof of income, like a pay stub or a bank statement.
I have a bank statement on my phone. I can send it to you.
Great. Second, your credit history.
My credit history? I don't have one. I just came from Japan a few weeks ago.
Ah, I see. So 0 credit history in the US?
Yes. Is that a big problem?
No, don't worry. This happens with international students all the time.
Really? I was so worried.
Really, you have 2 options. Option 1, you find a cosigner.
A cosigner? What is that?
Someone with good credit who signs the lease with you. If you can't pay, they pay.
Oh, like a guarantor. We have that in Japan.
Exactly. Or option 2, you can pay a few months of rent up front.
Upfront means pay it now? Before I move in?
Yes, usually 2 or 3 months of rent.
I don't want to ask anyone to be a cosigner. I'll pay up front.
Are you sure? That's a lot of money at once.
Yes, I'm sure. I have savings. I want to handle this myself.
I respect that. 3 months up front, so $3,600.
I'll transfer it tomorrow morning.
Okay, once we get the money and your bank statement, you're approved.
Thank you, Sarah. I feel so much better now.
You're going to be a great tenant, I can tell.
Thank you. One more question. When can I get the keys?
On the 1st of next month, come here in the morning around 9.
Okay. Should I bring anything?
Just your ID and a smile. We'll do a quick walkthrough together.
Sounds good. Oh, also, who do I call if something breaks?
Call our office, the same number you called for the tour. We have a repair team.
Even on weekends?
For emergencies, yes, like a flood or no heat in winter. Small things, wait until Monday.
Got it. Thank you so much, Sarah.
Ken, where do you want this big box?
Oh, that one is books. Put it in the living room, please.
Got it. Wow, you have so many boxes for one person.
I know. I tried to pack light, but I still have many boxes.
Moving is always like that. Hey, the place looks great in daylight.
Right? I'm really happy with it.
Did you finish the move-in checklist?
Yes, I did it first thing this morning. I took 30 photos.
30? You're really careful.
After what Sarah said, I didn't want to lose my deposit.
Smart. Oh, by the way, did you ever set up renter's insurance?
Yes, I did it last night, actually.
Wait, really? You did it?
Set it up last night. You were right from the beginning.
Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you.
It was only $15 a month. Why didn't I do it sooner?
Because at first, you thought you didn't need it in America.
Right. I thought I didn't need it because we don't have it back home.
See? Now you're a real American renter.
I feel like one. Thanks, Ellie. I couldn't have done this alone.
You did most of it yourself, actually. I just pushed you a little.
You pushed me a lot, and every time you were right.
Well, next time someone moves here from Japan, you can be the helper.
I will. I'll tell them everything. 12 months, move-in checklist, deposit, credit history, and insurance.
You learned fast. Okay, let's keep unpacking.
Yes, and after, I'm buying you lunch.
That sounds good. Where do you want to eat?
There's a small Mexican place on the corner. I saw it on the way here.
Oh, that one is amazing. They have the best tacos in the whole neighborhood.
Perfect. Let's finish this room first, then go.
Deal. Hey, by the way, when is your first rent due?
I paid 3 months up front, so I'm covered for a while.
Oh, right, I forgot. You are ready for everything.
I learned from a very smart friend.
Stop, you'll make me cry. Let me carry these to the bedroom.
Thanks. And Ellie, really, thank you for everything.
Anytime, Ken. Welcome home.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. How long is a standard apartment lease in America? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English, with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.